Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making some fun wall art, and all you need is some canvas. I'm gonna do it on 4 canvases. This was $12 for 7 canvases, and then just some paint. So I'm gonna do 3 different colors, and it's a really fun way to make wall art. I have watched this done before, and I am so excited to do it for myself. Okay, I'm gonna move this table out of here because I need so much space to do this. It's gonna be super, super fun. First thing you do is drill a hole on the bottom and then put tape over it. And then you're gonna drill a hole on the top. And this is gonna be where the string is gonna go through, and you're gonna tie a knot on the bottom. I'll show you that soon. And then you're gonna drill some holes for airflow so it pushes out the paint. I did 4 little holes on the top. Then after this, you get some string or yarn. I use yarn. And then you're going to push it through the hole and then tie a knot on the other side big enough so it doesn't fall through. And this is where you just have fun with it. You're the artist. You can go at any angle you want. I had a bowl right there on the side where I could catch it whenever I felt like I needed to be done. This is how it turned out. I ended up framing it so it's more my style, and I am obsessed with it. I'm gonna hang these up in my house. If you wanna see them hung up in my house, make sure to check out my Instagram account, and please subscribe to see more content. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video.